So the slide was put up in 1974 by a group of Kiwanians who had put it up as something fun to do. They had been offered it. It had been operating 5 years from a amusement company, and someone in that company knew somebody from Kiwanis and said, hey, you guys want this? And he said, yeah, sure. So they bought it at a good price and talked to somebody who was doing K-Days back then and put it up to do it for fun and as a fundraiser, and it went from there. So ironically, it was never intended when it was first built to be a permanent structure. It was just meant to go up for K-Days, and that was it. And it just took off with such enthusiasm and was embraced by the community so much that it stayed, and it became that tradition. It's not a demolishment, it's a dismantling, because we are looking to rebuild. If everything goes as planned, we will be rebuilding. It's emotional for me because this has been, this is a good solid 2 weeks of my life every summer for years. But it's just, there's so many memories. I'm one of those corny people that likes to help people develop good memories. When I worked as a waitress, it was that was my goal, was to make somebody's day. That was just the kind of person I am.